Hello again. So as I said, I will take daily video recordings for the special math students and the other students who is preparing 9th grade DIM exam. Let's start. As you know, there will be 5 questions which I will explain, and the next 5 questions you have to pause the video and start to solve them. Let's go, guys. In an isosceles triangle, what does mean isosceles triangles? Isosceles triangles means that two sides and two angles are equal. And two angles are equal. So let's draw isosceles triangle. Triangle for A, B, C. The median is drawn to the base AC. Median is drawn to base AC. So median BD. Okay, AC. If the perimeter of triangle ABC is 46 centimeter, you know that median will divide AC to equal parts. It means that if AD is X, for example, it means that DC will be also X, right? This is isosceles triangle. That's why AB and BC are equals to each other. So it's A and A. So guys, how can we find perimeter ABC? Perimeter ABC equals to A plus 2X, right? So A plus 2X. Right, which is AC. AC is 2x. So we can write perimeter of ABC equals to 2a plus 2x. Also, the question says that perimeter of ABC equals to 46 centimeter. In this case, can I say that 2a plus 2x equals to 46? Yes, I can. 2 out of the bracket, a plus x equals to 46. In this case, a plus x equals to 23, right? This is first what I get. Then let's continue to read. Guys, whenever you are writing the exam or math especially, so you do it step by step, okay? For example, first of all, I understood that what is isosceles triangle, I draw it. Then draw the median, I did it, okay? Step by step. Then perimeter of ABC, okay, I have done this. Then perimeter of triangle ABD. Now I'm going to start to write perimeter of ABD, okay? So perimeter of ABD is what? AB, which is A, plus AD, which is X, plus BD. Do I know what is BD? No. Let's write M because it's median. A plus X plus M. And what the question gave us, perimeter of ABD equals to 30 centimeter. So let's make them equalize to each other. A plus X plus M equals to 30. Okay, I got this one from here. And look at carefully. What I get? A plus X is 30. So A plus X is what? 30. Well, A plus X plus M equals to 30. A plus X is 23. 23 plus M equals to 30. And M equals to 30 minus 23, which is 7 centimeter. Normally it takes less time. Just now I'm explaining the question step by step. That's why it takes time. So guys, now let's do the next question. Okay, so for the next question, guys, you can stop the video recording, okay? Video recording and solve this question 2. Now I have to delete this because I'm using different program than yesterday. So solve this question, okay? Now question 3, just the calculation, simple calculation, which the student makes a lot of mistakes. Why? Because they are not writing step by step. Well, guys, first of all, from BIDMAS, I just want to revise BIDMAS. What is it? If you will see, first of all, brackets, you have to solve it, right? Brackets. After that, indices, power, it means that power, brackets, okay? So power, if there is a to the power of n or something. Then division or multiplication. Which comes first? You have to solve it, okay? Multiplication and addition, adding and subtracting. So as I said, which one first comes, so you have to solve it. Subtracting. Okay, so let's do 22.5 divide 0.45. So as we said, first of all, we have to solve the brackets. Then 22.5 divided by 0.45. As you know, you are not allowed to use calculator. So how can we solve it? Multiply both of them by 100. It's going to be what? 2250 and 0.45. It will be just 45. Okay, so you can simplify. There's a lot of methods. Just the students, my students likes this method. That's why I'm explaining with this method. Okay, guys, just what you need to do: divide them, both of them by 5. It is 450. Then both of them by 5, 9. It's going to be 50. Yes, 5, 4, 5. Yes, it's 450. So first bracket is 50. Guys, don't forget, I don't want to work with the decimals. That's why I multiply numerator and denominator by 100. Then simplify, divide by 5. Okay, and find the answer. After that, the second bracket. Okay, this is first bracket. Then second bracket is what? 5.27 plus 1.93. Then 0, 1, 12, 1, 6, 7, right? 7.20. Okay, guys. So what is the last? We have to multiply. What's the question? 22.5 divided by 0.45. Then multiply 5.27 plus 1.93, which equals to, equalize them. The first one is 50. Multiply by second bracket is 7.2. 7.2. So 72 times 5 is 360. I just multiply these zeros and decimal point will go away. 72 times 5 is 360. Okay, guys. So if you understand, if you didn't understand, just rewatch this question. Okay. If you understand, try to solve the question 4. Question 4 is easier than what I did, but it's again the calculation question and you need to solve it. Well, question 5, an engine consumes 0.24 of the fuel in tank in 6 hours. Okay, 0.24 in 6 hours, right? In how many hours? In how many hours? I don't know how many hours. X hours. Will engine consume all fuel? What he did? 0.24 of them. Okay, so all fuel will be 1, right? The whole. Then cross multiply. Cross multiplying, guys, just x times 0.24, 0.24x equals to 1 times 6. So x equals to 6 out of 0.24, which equals to 600 divided by 24. Both divisible by 600 divided by 4, which is 25, which answer is C. Okay, so what I did, again, I don't like to work with decimals. Multiply by 100, right? After that, divide by 6. Then it's easy to divide 100 by 4. Answer is 25. Okay, guys, so if you understand this question, now it is time to stop the video recording. So question 6. And question 7, LCM and GCD. A over B is 3 over 5, right? A and B are, you can say A is 3, B is 5. Actually, it is 3K, 5K, but we don't need that because it's simplest form, right? 3 and 5. Am I right? A and B are co-primes, means that they don't have any common factor because 3 and 5 just co-prime, right? You can simplify them. Are co-primes. Yes, they are co-prime number, which they don't have any other factor. Their only factor is shareable factor is only 1. So LCM, let's write, if A and B are co-primes, so LCM AB is always equals to A times B. Okay, GCD AB, what we said, their common shareable factor is 1. GCD AB is 1. Let's write then LCM AB, what is it? LCM 3, 5 over GCD 3, 5. 3 and 5 are co-primes. Then 3 times 5 will be LCM. GCD will be 1, which is going to be 15. Okay, so guys, if their only shareable factor is 1, which is they are co-prime, means that LCM AB is product of them. GCD AB is just 1 because only shareable factor is 1. So 3 and 5, LCM will be 3 times 5, GCD will be 1, and 15 over 1 is just 15. Hope you understand. So guys, Next one is question 8. Question 8 is the same type, just I changed 4 and 7 instead of 3 and 5. Well, let's go question 9. Question 9. In a triangle whose hypotenuse is AB. AB is hypotenuse, which is opposite with 90 degree. Okay. CD is altitude, guys. Generally, the students forget what is altitude. We are using altitude as height. Okay, height is altitude. BCD is 38 degree, BD is 3. So find AC, guys. The easy method, just there's no any easy method. You have to learn the formula for right triangle. Let's say A, B, C. For right triangle, if it's 90 degree, as you know, AC is hypotenuse. Right, hypotenuse. Okay. The side which is opposite, let's say hypotenuse is A. Right? The side which is opposite with 30 degree, BC. Opposite to 30 degrees, half of hypotenuse. Just repeat this sentence. The side which is opposite to 30 degrees, half of hypotenuse. What is it? A over 2. The side which is opposite to 60 degree, okay, opposite to 60 degree, 60 degrees in here, opposite AB, right? AB is A over 2, half of hypotenuse, and root 3. A over 2 root 3. Okay, A over 2 root 3. Learn this one. Then this question just will take you a second, 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, guys, this is right triangle again. I want to show it. This one is right triangle, right? The side which is opposite to 30 degree is 3. Then what is hypotenuse? Okay, repeat this sentence, please, with me. The side which is opposite to 30 degree is half of hypotenuse. Half of hypotenuse, then hypotenuse will be 6, right? 6. Okay, so it is 6, and what is BCD in this case? The side which is opposite, repeat with me, please. The side which is opposite to 60 degree is half and root 3. Half and root 3, so it's going to be 3 root 3. What the question asks from you, what is AC? Okay, guys, if it is 30 degree, as you know, this one is 90 degree, right? Because it's right triangle. It means that this is 60. If it is 60, so this one is 30 degree, right? The side which is actually, you don't need to find this 3 root 3, but in case I said, the side which is opposite to 30 degree is what? Half of hypotenuse. Repeat with me, please. The side which is opposite to 30 degrees, half of hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse then? 3 root 3 times 2, right? Which is 6 root 3. Okay, 6 root 3, which is answer is A. So let's find AD. However, they don't ask from you. AD, the side which is opposite to 60 degree, half and root 3. It means that root 3 multiply by root 3, it's going to be 9. Fine? Yes. I hope you understand this one. So if you will have any question, just text below in the comment. Learn these formulas and stop the video. Repeat with me, okay? Repeat with me. The side which is opposite to 30 degrees, half of hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to 60 degree is half and root 3 of hypotenuse. So guys, next question is question 10. Let me erase. Yes, 10. By the way, BD is 4 in here, okay? BD is 4, just I copied the same picture. BD is 4, and solve this question by yourself. Comment your answers down. I will try to find time and reply your answers. So if you have any question, let me know. If you find this video useful, send your friends who is preparing 9th grade TIM exam. Good luck, guys. Try to do your best. I will try to take a video daily and send to you. And hardworking just in last 1 month. Bye bye.